In 2020, pillar for the construction of Eklavlya School was erected at Diring under Duarbaguri MSC constituency. 2 years had passed since the pillar was erected, yet no any construction work was initiated. With a vision to uplift the education culture at Diring region, pillar for the construction of Eklavlya School was erected at Diring under Duarbaguri MSC constituency in the year 2020. 2 years had gone, yet no any construction work was carried out, and this had provoked and exasperated the villagers of Diring region. The villagers informed that they are disgusted and not satisfied with the speeches delivered in various meetings and public gatherings over the speedy construction of Eklavlya School shortly at Diring by Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and local representative Richard Dogby, EM in charge of education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Nilo athi school ka vipen nilitum ko an mani tumarat akiduk akisung ke nilitum Diring arasi chichini chot. Aposin nilitum bangke pini bangke ningi punglong lasini tum pherangke abitung mate Karbi Anglong arat kachari dim Karbi Anglong arat bhandani tum ka chuning ri bangke la hello nilitum phan la MP election a prangjong sinil tum han ladak nang klem pon pe nang dam pon pe mate isi bang ni tum ang thek thek pon long le puteni tum Diring arat pen bangke bhude pak tanil tum bangke pipon thek thek pusini tum bangke rata tum penta chedon sar pensi tum la bangso alam pe ni tum klem pon lo.
Villagers demand the instant initiation of construction work for the school. Also threatens to boycott the election if the concerned authority fails to initiate the construction work before the general election of the Member of Parliament.
Nitum hanke not MP election aprang nitum hanke labang so Eklavlya School pu bangke ini son ba ekdam naking vek nahi pusini tumke Karbi Anglong team mane noi ke dobom council ke chari tum hasi nitum ke chuning rilo.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.